Hello! Today we're going to be looking at creating really cool email signatures for your iPhone or iPad. This was our first request, so hopefully it helps lots of you out there. There is some advanced stuff towards the end for Mac users as well. So to begin, let's actually start on the computer and compose an email within Gmail. I'm going to play this kind of fast so you don't have to watch it all in real time. So there's the bulk of what I want to do. So now I'm going to start to edit it. So first I'm going to add a clickable link. So I'm highlighting this tech trainer part right here, and I'm going to click on edit a link or insert a link. And I just cut and paste in a link that I already had on my clipboard. I'm going to do the same thing with this here, just a web page from our website. Already on the clipboard again, so you're not seeing me actually copying the link. And now I'm just doing simple formatting of the text that anybody knows how to do. This next bit is a bit fancy, but I know you can do it. So what I've done is I've gone to Dropbox in my public folder and I've uploaded an image that I want to include in my email. It's got to be online somewhere to be viewed in all of your emails that you send. So what I'm going to do is click on Insert a Photo, then Web Address. I'm going to flip over to Dropbox and grab the shareable link from that particular image. Copied it and I'm going to paste it there. And there it is. Okay. So now all I have to do is highlight this image and go down to the edit link there and click on change. And I can put a web address for that picture to point to when somebody clicks on it. So that will actually open up a video on YouTube if people were to click on it. So now all I'm going to do is highlight the rest of this text and change the color, just because I can, to make it match a little bit more with the picture. Cool, I like that. All right, all I'm going to do is email this to myself, and I'm going to go pick it up on the iPad for the next step. So here I am on the iPad. I'm just going to open up Mail here, and this is the email that we just sent from Gmail. All right, so I'm going to highlight everything and copy it. Okay, now just going to flip over to Settings, click on Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and then Signatures. In my Lawlor account here, I'm going to paste everything that we just made, but the colors are all messed up. So I'm going to shake the iPad, hit undo, and it's going to put the colors back the way they were. When we pasted them in, for some reason, the iPad decided to change the colors. It always does that, and I don't know why. So back out of here, we don't need this anymore. And what I'm going to do is just show you, if you compose a new email, the signature will pull up just like that. If you flip to another email account, the signature goes away. And if you switch back to your email account, there's your signature again. Pretty cool. So the next thing is the advanced one. All right. So this is doable. It really is, but it is for a little bit more advanced users. What we're going to do is on our Mac now, we're going to highlight this signature here and we're going to copy it. And we're going to go to a website called word2html.net. All right. In the left-hand side, we're going to paste the signature. And the right-hand side is going to give us all the HTML gobbledygook that we need for our next step. So I'm highlighting this and copying it as well. And we can exit out of here. We don't need that. And I'm just going to go to Preferences on my mail, select the account I'm talking about here. I'm going to add a new signature. It's going to show up as signature number 3. It's just a placeholder. It doesn't matter what it says. So close that. And I'm going to click on some white space here. So I open my Finder. I'm going to hold down Option. That's the tricky part. And then Go. And then click on Library. That was it. That was the hard part. You can do the rest. So we're just going to click on Mail. Then whatever folder starts with V, then Mail Data, and then Signatures. And we're going to look for the newest file there. I can tell by the timestamp that it's this one. So I'm going to right click, use the other app to open it, scroll down to I see Text Edit, and open. Whew, that was it. Okay, the rest is easy. So all this junk here, get rid of it. We're going to highlight it, and I'm just pasting in the other junk, the other gobbledygook that we created. Click the title, click Locked. That's it. It might be advanced, it might not, but that's all we needed. So now we're just going to close out of Mail altogether and then reopen it. Now everything is going to work. So we're going to go to create a new email. I'm going to select the email account that I want to send from, and then over here, select a signature that I want to use. And there it is. So if I send the email to myself, this is the signature, and everything in the signature is clickable and awesome. And there you go. If you stuck with me through that, you are now going to be an email signature professional.